So this is how you can search for a text in a Freeform on the iPhone. Let me show you how it works. If it's your first time here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So of course you get inside your Freeform as usual, and you can browse it, zoom in or whatever, but you want to make sure that you don't have any of the elements selected, because when I select, for example, like a photo or whatever, there are more options which appear, but I don't want you to have anything selected. And tap on the three dots in the top right, and you will have the ability to find, right? So there is a magnifying glass with the find text next to it, and this opens up a search field where you can type something in, and you can look for the text which is written right there. So if I look that up, you can see that it matches and it shows me exactly where it is. So it's a nice way to search for text. Obviously, if I handwrite something, then it might not get recognized, so it might only work for typed text. So that's how it works. And even if I look up for or search for titles of attached documents, for example, this doesn't work either, as it doesn't really get recognized, or it doesn't show anything right there. So yeah, you can only look for the text which you actually type, but that's good enough because you can always find whatever you needed. So yeah, usually it works out well for me. So I would really appreciate your feedback. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it worked for you as well. Thanks a lot for watching, and I hopefully get to see you later in the next tutorials and videos like this one.